Did you know that 85% of people who consistently visualize living a life of luxury actually achieve it? Think about that for a moment. It's not about luck. It's about aligning your energy with your desires. So I ask you, dear viewer, can you imagine yourself surrounded by luxury? Can you see it, feel it, taste it? The first step to attracting luxury into your life is believing it's possible. You have to believe it for yourself. You have to see yourself living that luxurious life. It's about opening yourself up to a world of possibilities. Many people struggle with this concept. They think luxury is reserved for a select few, but that's simply not true. Luxury is available to anyone who is willing to embrace it. Are you ready to embrace your own luxurious life? Attracting luxury is about more than just wishing for it. It's about aligning your thoughts and actions with the energy of abundance. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance, where you see opportunities instead of obstacles. It's about believing that you are deserving of beautiful things, of joyful experiences, of a life filled with ease and comfort. Your mindset is everything. The way you think shapes the world around you. If you believe you are worthy of luxury, you will attract it. Your confidence will draw in the experiences and items you desire. But if you harbor doubts and insecurities, you will only block its flow. These negative emotions act as barriers. It's like trying to fill a cup that already has a lid on it. No matter how much you pour, nothing gets in. You have to remove the lid of negativity to allow the abundance to pour in. Only then can you truly receive. Think of your mind as a garden, a space that needs care and attention. If you plant seeds of doubt and fear, you'll harvest weeds of insecurity and lack. These weeds can overrun your garden. But if you plant seeds of positivity, gratitude, and self-belief, you will cultivate a garden overflowing with the sweet fruits of luxury and abundance. Your efforts will be rewarded. Remember, your thoughts are powerful. They shape your reality. So choose them wisely and watch your world transform. We all have limiting beliefs. They are those pesky little voices in our heads that tell us we're not good enough, smart enough, or worthy enough to have what we desire. These beliefs often stem from our past experiences. They are the echoes of past hurts, disappointments, and societal conditioning. They linger in our minds. These limiting beliefs can be major roadblocks on your journey to luxury. They hold you back. They create a self-fulfilling prophecy, keeping you stuck in a cycle of lack and unworthiness. It's a vicious cycle. But here's the good news. You have the power to break free. You can change your narrative. Start by identifying your limiting beliefs. Be honest with yourself. What are those negative thoughts that keep popping up? Write them down. Acknowledge them. Once you've identified them, challenge them. Question their validity. Ask yourself if they are really true or just old tapes playing on repeat. Reflect deeply. Remember, you have the power to choose your thoughts. You are in control. Choose to focus on empowering beliefs. You are worthy. You are capable. Embrace this truth. And you are deserving of all the luxury life has to offer. Believe in your potential. Attracting luxury is not just about thinking positive thoughts. It also requires taking inspired action. It's about aligning your actions with your desires. Start by defining what luxury means to you. Is it about traveling the world, living in a beautiful home, or having financial freedom? Once you have a clear vision, set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the journey less daunting and more enjoyable. Celebrate each milestone along the way. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Remember, attracting luxury is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride. I'll never forget the story of Sarah, a single mother who used the power of visualization to completely transform her life. Sarah was struggling to make ends meet, working 2 jobs to provide for her children. She felt trapped in a cycle of scarcity. One day, she stumbled upon the concept of visualization. She started small, visualizing herself living in a cozy home, her children laughing and playing in the backyard. She would close her eyes and immerse herself in this vision, feeling the joy and gratitude as if it were already her reality. Slowly but surely, things began to shift. Sarah received an unexpected promotion. She met a supportive partner, and within a year, she was able to purchase a beautiful home for her family. Sarah's story is a powerful testament to the transformative power of visualization. Section 6. Affirmations. Speaking your luxury into existence. Affirmations are powerful tools for reprogramming your subconscious mind. They help you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. They are positive statements that, when repeated consistently, can help you overcome limiting beliefs and attract what you desire. By focusing on these affirmations, you can start to see changes in your thoughts and actions. When it comes to attracting luxury, choose affirmations that resonate with you. Make sure they align with your personal goals and desires. Here are a few examples. I am open and receptive to all the abundance the universe has to offer. This affirmation opens your mind to receiving new opportunities. I am worthy of living a luxurious and fulfilling life. This statement reinforces your self-worth and your right to enjoy luxury. I attract wealth and abundance with ease and grace. This affirmation helps you to believe that wealth can come to you naturally and effortlessly. Repeat your affirmations daily, preferably in the morning and evening. Consistency is key to making these affirmations a part of your daily routine. Write them down, say them out loud, or listen to them as you drift off to sleep. Integrating them into your daily habits will reinforce their power. The key is consistency and feeling the emotions of joy and gratitude as you speak them. Remember, words have power. They shape your reality. Choose to speak your luxury into existence. Embrace the power of your words and watch as your life transforms. Section 7. You are worthy of abundance. One of the biggest obstacles to attracting luxury is the belief that we are somehow undeserving. We may have internalized messages from childhood or society that tell us we are not good enough, not worthy enough, or not deserving of abundance. But here's the truth: you are worthy. You are worthy of love, happiness, and abundance. You are a unique and precious creation, and the universe wants to shower you with its blessings. Release any guilt or shame you may feel about desiring luxury. It's okay to want beautiful things, to desire comfort and ease. Abundance is your birthright. Embrace it. Section 8. Your journey to luxury starts now. Attracting luxury is a journey of self-discovery and transformation. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the vibration of abundance. Remember to cultivate a mindset of gratitude. Appreciate the good in your life, no matter how small. Practice visualization. Immerse yourself in the feeling of living your dream life. Use affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind and release any limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Take inspired action. Set goals, break them down into smaller steps, and celebrate your progress along the way. Your journey to luxury starts now. Embrace it with open arms and watch as the universe conspires to make your dreams a reality. Section 9. Share your story, embrace your power. I believe that everyone has a story to tell, a story of resilience, transformation, and triumph. And I want to hear yours. Share your experiences with attracting luxury in the comments below. What challenges have you faced? What victories have you celebrated? What tips and insights can you share with others on this journey? Remember, you are not alone. We are all in this together. And by supporting and uplifting one another, we can create a ripple effect of abundance and inspiration. For more guidance and inspiration on your journey to attracting luxury and living your best life, visit our website and follow us on social media. Embrace your power, dear reader. The world is waiting for you to shine, for you.